This is a quick video of introduction into Open Cybersecurity Schema Framework or OCSF. OCSF is being used in various places in the cloud. For example, I routinely use it to integrate third-party logging into AWS. For example, recently AWS has released a new service called as AWS Security Lake. You can integrate third-party logging with AWS Security Lake by using this Open Cybersecurity Schema Framework. For example, a very popular antivirus is called as CrowdStrike. If you have CrowdStrike logging, you can integrate or throw or put your CrowdStrike logs into AWS Security Lake with the help of this Open Cybersecurity Schema Framework. The, the Open Cybersecurity Schema Framework is an open source project delivering an extensible framework for developing schemas along with a vendor agnostic core security schema. Vendors and other data producers can adopt and extend the schema for their specific domains. Data engineers can map different schemas to help security teams simplify data ingestion and normalization so that data scientists and analysts can work with a common language for threat detection and investigation. The goal is to provide an open standard adopted in any environment, application, or solution while complementing existing security standards and processes. This framework is made up of a set of data types, an attribute dictionary, and the taxonomy. It is not really restricted to the cybersecurity domain nor to events. However, the main focus of this framework is to be used as a schema for cybersecurity events. As I mentioned earlier, OCSF is agnostic to storage format, data collection, and ETL processes. The core schema for cybersecurity events is intended to be agnostic to implementations. So I hope that you find it interesting. If you are using CrowdStrike or any other third-party tooling, and if you want to aggregate the logs of it into AWS, then you need to understand this Open Cybersecurity Schema Framework. Thanks for listening.